guys, welcome back and happy holidays. I am actually packing to go back home. As some of you know, I was raised in Louisville, Kentucky, so most of my family's over there. So I go every year for Thanksgiving, for the holidays, and also for my mom's birthday. Holidays is all about being with your family and loved ones, and about baking and cooking and eating, of course. And to me, Christmas is not Christmas if it's not a white Christmas. Miami is really hot, so I always like to get away for the holiday. I feel like I've mastered the art of packing, especially after my last big trip. I went to Europe and I took 4 flights, 3 trains, and that was all in a week and a half. So I packed everything in one of those big backpacks. I didn't feel like rolling my luggage from country to country. So yeah, I feel like I've really mastered that. And I just want to show you guys how I pack and what's more convenient, and the things that I take on my carry-on, just making it easier. So when I get to my destination, I don't have to be waiting for my luggage or risking my luggage not getting there on time. And one of the things that I do, which is really important, just to be more efficient, is I like to check on the weather of where I'm going. Right now in Louisville it's 57 degrees. For me, that's cold. So yeah, with that being said, let's get right to it. I used to take a purse with me on the flight, but I like to have my hands free when I travel, so that's why I got a backpack, and it's just so convenient because I put my laptop and everything in here. So I'm gonna go through this really quick, and then I'll show you guys my carry-on luggage. So I have this bag, and if you guys have seen what's in my bag video, I show what I have in here. I'm not gonna go through all of these because I have a lot of things, but you can watch that video and then see everything. Is pretty much the same thing. Maybe I've changed a few things, but yeah. The next thing I have is fuzzy socks. As soon as I get on the plane, I take my shoes off because I like to be comfortable. So I take these, and these were a gift from my best friend Jeanette. Thank you, Jeanette. I still have these. So I always keep these here on my travel bags. The next thing I have is all my cables. So I have my iPhone charger, and I put clips on these because I don't like when they get all tangled up. So I just put like a little clip. If you guys can see it. I have my earpiece, again with one of those clips. I have my converter because my laptop doesn't work with the iPhone 8. I have a portable charger, a memory for my laptop, all my videos, and the cable for it, and a little cube for the charger. And the next thing I have, well, it's a stick for my phone, so in case I want to blog, I have that. My laptop charger, I have that charged at all times. And I have this book, so to be honest with you, I never finish the book on the plane. I just end up falling asleep. I'm not sure if I'm going to be reading on this flight because it's a short flight, and I'm going to be doing a lot of editing. I have quite a few videos that I need to edit, so I can post next week. So I'm not sure if I'm going to be reading it, but I'll take it just in case. And I have snacks. You know, some flights, they don't even offer you any food, so I like to have snacks. And I have berry and seed mix, and I have some organic figs. I have my sunglasses, my body mist, just to freshen up before you land. And this is the reason why I got this backpack. So I basically just put my laptop back here, and it's just very convenient. And in the front pocket, I have a little notebook just because I like to write. I know I can just write the notes on my phone, but I like to write, so I always keep this for any ideas or anything that I need to write. My wallet, my keys, and a pen. And I love this thing. So you know how you can't take like big bottles on the plane because they need to be 3 ounces or less. So what I do is I fill this up with my perfume, whatever I'm into at the moment, and that's it. I just take it with me. everywhere I go. So I always take this and I don't put it in my bag. I just like strap it on the side so it doesn't occupy any space. Or I put it on my carry-on luggage. So that's it for that bag. Now I'm going to show you how I pack my luggage and yeah, how I distribute everything. These packing cubes are a lifesaver. They're so convenient and they save a lot of space. I packed my underwear here. I put all my scarves because I'm gonna be going to Kentucky and it's cold. I just put all my scarves and anything, and my gloves, my headbands. And then here I put all my tops and some workout gear in case I feel like working out, which I doubt that's gonna happen, but you never know. So I keep that in here. And I always like to take a small bag because I'm not gonna be walking around with a big bag when I'm on vacation. So I just take a little bag. And then I pack all my shoes on these bags. For this trip, I'm just gonna be taking 2 pairs of boots and the shoes that I have on, which are like sneakers. And then I pack all my toiletry in one of these clear bags just so I can see everything. And I put all my makeup in one of these bags. I have all my foundation, setting sprays, blushes here. And here I just have all my tools like my beauty blender, my eyelash curler, I have my lip glosses, lip liners, and all my brushes. And I love this because it has this compartment. So yeah, it's very convenient. I love these little bags because you can just put all your jewelry here and it keeps it safe. This scarf, it's kind of big, so I'm just gonna be putting it individual. And then I have my pajamas and I have all those big sweaters that are not gonna fit on those. This is my luggage and I put all my pens just like that, folded at the bottom. And that's basically it. So I'm gonna be packing now and just putting everything inside. So when I pack, I like to roll everything up except the pens, just so you can save some space. I also have this, how do you call this? Neck nugget or donut